Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we do have the TechLife Smartwatch Neo. And one of its smart features for this wearable is the smart notifications. It is a push notifications where you can receive app notifications as well as SMS or text messages. On this video, we are going to have a demo of this functionality. We will try to use the following applications. Let me show you the app here. So we will have a demo for the Instagram, Messenger, Viber, and messages or text messages, SMS. Let's see if it will work with the following application. So if you are interested to see on how the TechLife Smartwatch Neo smart notification works, watch this video. And of course, if you have any questions, drop a comment below. If you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the push notifications for the TechLife Smartwatch Neo. Our wearable here is already paired with a support app. So this smartwatch is using the GloryFit app. Okay, so we have here the GloryFit app, and as you can see here, we have the TLSWN1, and we already checked the message notifications or the app notifications earlier. So we have activated the Instagram, Messenger, Facebook. What else? We have the Viber account here as well as the SMS. I think it is a separate menu for the SMS. We have the SMS reminder turned on. Okay, so seems like everything is okay here. Let's see if we do have the settings here for the smartwatch. Okay, let's go to the main menu. We have the settings. Let's check on the settings. Sound, wrist awake. Seems like there's no option for the notifications. Okay, so everything is set. Hopefully it will work with our applications. So let's start with Instagram. So let's open the app. So we have here our contacts. So let's send a message to Sam. Let's say hello. Hello, how are you? Let's send a message. Hopefully we can receive a notification. Okay, and we have here the message. So we have a logo, we have the time, I think, and you have an option to delete the message. Okay, we have the name of the sender. Okay, so we have the time here, the logo, name of the sender, and of course the message. Let's have another one. Say hello with an emoji. Okay, message sent. Let's see if we'll be able to receive. Okay, so we have here the message, but as you can see, there's no support for the emoji. So we have an emoji here, we don't have the emoji. Okay, and there's no quick reply feature. Okay, let's have a call notification. Let's see, and call, and we have here the call notification from Instagram audio call. So it works with our first app, the Instagram application. Okay, that's very good so far. Next, Okay, so instead of using the Messenger, Facebook Messenger, let's go to the Viber app. Okay, so we are having some issues right now with our Messenger, but I think it works with the Messenger. We tried it before and it works, but this time there are some issues. I think issues with connectivity. So let's go to the Viber account. So let's send a message. Let's say hello with the emoji. Okay, then message sent. Let's see if we can receive a message. We can receive a message from Viber app. As you can see, we have the message hello, but there's no support for emoji. Okay, then let's try to call. Calling, can we receive a missed call? And call, yes, we can receive a missed call from Viber. Okay, so far it works perfectly with the Viber account and Instagram. Let's have messages, text messages. So SMS, let's try. Let's say hello again, and message sent. Does it work? Although we already activated it in the support app, and we have it here. Okay, so it works with SMS. Okay, if we add this number, our number on the phone book, I think it will show here. Okay, the name. Let's see if we send a lot of text or characters. Let's see if it will work. Okay, can we receive a text messages? Nope, and we have it here. Okay, so D, K, X, and D. Okay, some of the characters here has been cut, okay, or deleted until, let's see, until EU, US. Okay, until here only. This one and the XD is not included here, as you can see. Okay, so the smartwatch can only accept limited characters. Okay, I guess it's just one sentence, I mean. Delete. Long press, let's see. Delete. Okay, select the messages first, then delete. Okay, so that's it for our demo with a smart notification. So far, the smartwatch works with Instagram, Viber, and text messages. Again, it is using the, I think, the Glory Fit app for our Android smartphone. So it is using the Glory Fit application. So it works with the following applications: Instagram, Viber, and text messages. Again, this is a TechLife smartwatch Neo Smart Notifications. Bye.